Hello guys, I'm back. We're gonna finish the process for spot drilling. We're gonna choose our file here. Oh, there we go. And before we do finish this, I'm gonna create the stock side of the part. Actually, I'm gonna create the part stock. I said surfaces, so I choose it all and see what happened. I say yes. It's creating the surfaces mesh in there. There it is. Now I'm gonna I'm gonna plot this. I'm gonna simulate this so you can see what it did. You will see the difference. Okay, now I'm gonna get it closer so we can see it. Let's see. You go over here and move it. You can go wireframe and okay. Let's go and drill it. And you can see the drill, different size, corner sink in the part, you know, different colors. And I don't know if you can, now let's see, it's been a long time I don't use this. There was a way to see it. There we go. Uh, you see all of that. I like it with color better. Yeah. This is what you did, what we did previous uh, spot drilling. Now that's that. Okay, so let's get out of here and let's go back to our file. Okay, now we're gonna go. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna do the drilling. Okay, now drilling. That's the most intricate. Let's say well, you can choose that. You know, let's say copy that and put it over here, and then you go over here and go over here, and you can see which one it is. There's 4 over here. That's enough for me to know what am I gonna do, what size drill I'm gonna use. And now I'm gonna verify beforehand. Of course, you got a blueprint and all that, and but I'm gonna use a 378 diameter. If I can find a drill like that, which I doubt, probably I'm gonna have to use a reamer. But for the meantime, this one over here will be the 375. Let's see what I got here. 370. Now I was using probably a reamer to do that. So I'm gonna use, I had 370 diameter for a reamer. There we go. I'll go 1600 and I choose all of that. And I just go do it. Diameter. Oh, sorry. You gotta go tip. I go. You know, you want to go through the part. The part's like a half inch. You go 650 to clear that out. 250 and RPM 16 3.1. Fine. Go for it. Boom. And that will be that. You see that? You can see you drilling over there. I go through. Maybe I gotta go a little bit deeper. Yes, deep enough, I suppose. But then, in any chance you don't want to take, you can go a little bit deeper than what it is, you know. I'm gonna go 750. Who cares? And here it's supposed to be a deep goal. You want to go 150 peg cycle in and go for. And now you got that done. There we go. That's that. Now you go over here. You can do that to all of this. Well, we choose that one already. So that one, and that one. You can just copy all of that and put it over here. You know, just go copy and then just put it over here. Move to here. No, you can't. Yes, you can. Copy. There we go. Target. There we go. Like I say, been a while. I use something else nowadays. But this is a good software. I still using it once in a while, to do this and that. I still can make $1,000 a day with this, making parts, programs, and stuff like that. I bought it 18 years ago. It cost me quite a few thousands. At the time, it was one of the best software in town. So now, let's see. Let's see what this does. Where does it go? You just go and blank that, and you will see it. Okay, it goes over here. I just choose one of those. So I'm gonna look at them and I'm gonna say verify just to know what it is because I don't remember. There you go. Diameter 438, and let's see what that is. Let's see if we got the tool ready for that. You're gonna go and choose that and go over here, Model 5, and then Machine Parameter Tools, New Select Tool, 438. There it is. And we're gonna go deep hole, and you're gonna go whatever. It doesn't matter here. Tip, and you're gonna go 750 just for clearance. Go all the way through, and machine parameter 1600. You wanna go 9 inches. The other one is 3.1, which you can go 9. It's up to you, whatever you want to, how fast you want to go ahead. And that is that. This is how easy it is, what I mean? We kind of like choose all the holes. We selected it, segregate them, and now you know what you got. So your spot drill is kind of neat because you already know where you at. So you can blank those in here, and you can blank them. I don't know if you can change color over here. Yes, you can. Put blue, light blue. That's not a light blue, that one. But you can choose all of those. Let's see. And change it to light blue. There we go. Now, this one over here, I don't know where we at. So, boom. There we go. Once again, look like those in here. You choose one of them. You just verify general coordinates. General, yeah, data, I suppose. There you go. 378. Probably 375 with a reamer, maybe. I don't know. I cannot remember that part. They pay me like $700 for each part. Let's see. I go Model 5. I go, go deep hole, and then we're gonna go for the tool 378, 378, 370. And that was not for a reamer too. Yes. 378. That was that right? 438. Let me check it once again. I can remember. Forgot. Verify general data. You go over here. 378. Yes, it is. So, that's gonna be rim too. So 370. We ain't got nothing over that. 370. 263, 471. Okay. It's gonna be rim too. And now you go 9 inches, whatever. Go faster if you want. That would be tip. You just change that. The depth is 0.750, and also you can segregate these holes in a different way. You can put colors, you can put diameters. You can choose in a different way. I got like 4 or 5 different ways to choose the holes. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do. I call it a 3D drilling. Actually, it's not 3D, it's 2D, but on a free-form surfaces, your airplane is going to change everywhere. So everywhere you go, it's a different sea on the top. The airplane got to be close to the hole and all that. Otherwise, you're gonna have to create a plane or right on the top, and the airplane travel is gonna be very long. So I think I have a little file on that, and I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna machine it, and you'll see what it does. And also, I got another file that you can do like 500 holes, 700 holes at a time with different depths, and the system recognize the depth of the part in every hole. Every hole has different depths, and it will the system will keep the airplane where it's supposed to be. Will also uh, go through the part and maintain that depth because it reads the whole hole and bottom and different size holes. So it's kind of neat. I love it. I mean, people didn't see that before. I did, and what I did, I was trained by a girl. Her name is Lisa Mann. She did a good job. She was a girl that was born in Israel, and she was one of the smartest girl I ever knew on the software. Other than that, I don't know. But she was good on the software. She, as I say, she was really, really, really fantastic. Okay, now we got another hole over here. We're gonna right here. You can choose those two, and you just toggle blank. Boom. Okay, you choose that one over here. Now you know where you at. You see that hole over there? I'm not gonna go over there. I'm gonna go somewhere else because I know I blanked that hole, so I don't have enough information on that hole. So this is the one. This is the one over here. Uh, so if we go verify, I know. So if you're gonna have the print, you will see it on the print, but I don't have the print right now with me. So 378 again. On the road again. Okay, let's see. Let me see. 58. Yeah, 378. You go over here, choose the tool, look for the 370, and I'll probably use a reamer for that too. 378. Not a bunch of 378. Okay. And that was. And that was a tip and 750. And deep hole, do it. Now you just go over here and do it. Pam, pum, ping, ya está. Aha, it wasn't that hole. Torque. That was that one over there. Wrong drill. Okay, we're gonna redo the hole very easily. You just go over here and analyze that. The diameter 433. See, I don't have the print with me, and this is what happens. I mean, I get confused. 433, 438. 433 plus 5 is 438. I got plus minus 10,000 on those holes. That's why I use 438. Probably it's a standard drill. 438. Yeah, choose that one, and I can be 3,000 over the limit. The mean side, actually. And then I go for it. There you go. There you go. Now choose that, blank that, and just go over here, toggle that out, turn one up and turn off the other one, turn on the other one. There you go. Here, there's another one. Here you gotta zoom it a little bit so you can see the diameter. And that is 292. So you just go over here and choose 292. There is no 292 drill. Maybe I didn't do it. Boo. 246. That's a seal drill. 246. 292. Okay. I was told those drill has to be 246. I remember that. So that's what I use, 246. 263, 246, 292. Okay, I don't see that 292 drill over here. There got to be a reason. I think it was this one, the C drill. And they changed the, that's what it happens. Sometimes you create a program, and then when you get a next contract, there's a change. So uh, I just picked that one out, so we can do this. So it doesn't matter to me really. So right now I'm just teaching how to do this. Boom, the drilling. Okay, yes. Now we got that job complete. All the drilling is there, what we choose to do, and that is that for today. I'm gonna blank that out, and I can suddenly choose everything, and then I go to the simulation, and now you can see what it does. And you will see, I think you're gonna be able to see how much of a chamfer leaving there after it does the drilling. Let me get closer. Let me see. Actually, in this area over here, so we can see it. I hope we can see different colors. I don't remember. I think it does. Let me see. Let's go for boom. Aha. You see the chamfers? You see the chamfer? You don't get to see a chamfer over here. We didn't go deep enough life. You see a little bit of chamfer here. You don't get to see it over here because it's too far out. Let me go back in here and zoom that out some more. Now close and go for. You got chamfer here. You got little 5,000 chamfer here because it has no chamfer. You got a chamfer over here. And you see that 5,000 chamfer over here. Barely see it. On this one you got chamfer. It's more notorious. Here is a bigger chamfer. Here, yeah, I don't get to see anything there. Maybe I need to put enough chamfer. Let me see. Let me find that out. Close that out. Yes. Go back to Symmetron. There we go. Let's see. I'm gonna blend those two. Yeah. So I'm gonna choose those two, and I'm gonna go toggle. There we go. Now I see that one over here. It's a little tiny bitty chamfer. So blank that one, and I have to have the chamfer there. Their data. The chamfer is 374. What we got on the drilling. 374. Yeah, it is there. We just don't see it. Let's zoom that out a lot more and see what it does. Choose everything. Let's see. Simulation. Simulate that. Yes, go ahead. Just give me a second, and we're gonna zoom all the way over here. Okay, now we're gonna see what it does. The drill is a little bit too big on that one, probably. Yeah, probably that's what it is. I changed the drill, and that's what it is. Smaller drill over here. Well, that's what it is. Like I say, they changed their print, and I use those drills on different new plate, a new print, new plates. So, but in any case, on other parts that we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you that it can be done really neat. Okay, now this is done for today, And maybe I'm gonna do the packaging later on those in there, and on the next video, I'm gonna do the packaging. Okay. For right now, I'm gonna close that down, and I will see you pretty soon. Bye.